Right, WRX 2 litre 2097 Subaru. Took you into the car wash. Got a mini valeted, as you can see. Yeah, banger engine, running 400 brake at the moment, fully forged. Took it to the car wash, and apparently there's a dump valve and water went in there. Now it's making a fucked up sound. So if anyone knows what this is, you can give me a solution, let me know. Start it. And you hear that tapping sound. Should it be there? The sound is coming from about here, middle of the engine light. Been told it's a piston slap, but it's one of them ones there. I just had a cover, so anyone can let me know what one. I'd be grateful. Rev it a bit. प्यारा जब पार दिया just a little.